Good evening, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and we're going to go ahead and make a card for the Coffee Lovers blog hop. So what I did is I went ahead and went out to JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and I searched up in the upper right hand corner for there's like a little magnifying glass, and it's actually a search. And I clicked on that and I searched for the word coffee, and I came up with this adorable image that we have. This is the Brentwood Barista Coffee, Brentwood Owl Coffee Digital Rubber Stamp. But if you just search coffee, it'll come up with this one. You can download it as well. All of our digital stamps are $1.99, so you can, affordable, head out, pick one up right away. So my plan with this card is super small, quick, easy, make something fun. So what I decided to do is I am going to start by using my glitter pens. If you're not sure how to use a digital rubber stamp, head on out to our YouTube channel and you'll be able to see the full video on how to download a digital stamp from our website. It's super easy. I am going to use my color Technic red, and where I'm going to start is I'm going to color in all these little hearts on the coffee cup with glitter. What I did on this one was I shrunk the image down to a little over an inch by an inch, and then I copied, copy, paste, and I created my own pattern. Because what I'm going to do, and I'm not sure if we'll love this or not, but we'll see. It's always fun to try. And then you can see I made one larger one. So what I was going to do is do all these in just the plain, and then put this little guy right ahead of them. Just a larger one, but I was going to only color in the big one. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do the whole card with these little guys. I don't know. We'll see. Haven't really decided yet. Anyway, so what I did is I went ahead and copy paste all these little guys, and then I made one larger one and printed them all off together. Now I can tell you my design team hates printing them off with their printers because they always tell me they get smudgy. So other options, you could always send them to Kinko's or any kind of copy center. They have professional grade printing materials, so you're going to get a lot better, you know, no bleeding, blah blah blah. So definitely check that out if that's what you're into. So what I'm going to do, I think, you know what, I think I might just make the whole card those little guys. Yeah, why not? Alright, so I'm just going to cut this out. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of just see how many I made. Yeah, so that'll be kind of cute. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of eyeball where this is lining up. And I figure if we lose half a coffee cup, that's fine. That's about right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a straight line. This is going to be the edge that I'm going to match, so you can see I cut that right there. So you can see that's my edge that my little Brentwoods are going to line up to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my glue of choice. And you'll laugh because, oh my gosh, I think 9 years ago, I bought, I want to say like 400 of these. I don't even know why. I don't know what I was thinking I was going to do. But anyway, let's just say I haven't had to buy glue for a long time. Alright, just lining all that up. So we're just going to glue it on there. Now what I'm going to do is flip it over. And then I'm going to use this as my line to cut it out. And in case you hear fireworks in the background, Milwaukee has what they call the Big Bang fireworks. So I live close enough that you can actually hear them going off. Always make sure you sign your card, give it a year, make it yours. Okay, so I've got that on there now. So what you can see is I made my own paper almost. So I think I'm going to do, color these little points in with my, again, my glitter pen, my color Technic. Oh, I've got a really fun idea. Okay. So there he is in little blue overalls. I apologize if you hear my dogs pacing. They get a little nervous when it comes to firework time. Not horribly though this year, it seems. Alright. And all I'm doing right now is just running through all the colors. Because I thought, how fun would that be to sparkle up his little overalls. Now you know I'm from Wisconsin when I make sure I stack the green and gold ones together, right? Would like to take just a moment and thank you guys for all of your support and your encouragement through our YouTube channel and through our Facebook and other social media platforms. It has been so far an amazing start to this year. Had a lot of great things, exhausting, exciting things happen as well. I am in the process right now of designing all of our second season stamps. We're going to be running a huge clearance coming pretty soon, so definitely watch for that. Trying to pick all different colors and shades here, so it's kind of a nice rainbow of colors. Orange. Let's see, I need one more color. My little box says I would say purple, but there's a lot of that. Maybe another blue. Oh, here, there's like a, ooh. Okay, so word to the cautionary tale. Beware if you let your 3-year-old daughter play with your color techniques, because they will dry out if the cap is not put on correctly. I had 2 of them in there that I think are heading to that glitter pen in the sky. There we go. Alright, so once I have that colored, and you can see I've used the glitter Technics on some other stuff. Now this was done quite a few months ago, but look at how sparkly and shiny it still is. So, and if you like these corn, they are actually part of our calendar planner stamp set. So go check that out. Alright, so now I'm going to get my Copics, and we are going to color this in. And I suppose I could have colored it first and then stuck it to the paper. It doesn't really matter. Either way is fine. Alright. So let me go ahead and color this in and I'll be right back. Alright. Originally I was gonna put like coffee time on there, but look, it blocks so many of those cute little guys. I just don't want to do it. Well, I have that sentiment. Let's see what else I've got. I've got the Lawn Fawn. The little, oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do these. These are cute. This will be really cute. Alright, I gotta get my ink. Yeah, I might not stamp a sentiment on this one. But they have these tiny little faces. I'm going to stick some little faces on the jars. Ah! There, that's... Okay, that's kind of funny. So again, this is one of those where you can see you can mix. I'm using way too big a block. But you can mix clear stamps, digital stamps. You can mix pretty much all of it together. Like, you're not stuck going, well, I used a clear stamp this time, so I can only use clear stamp. That's the best part. You can mix and match, do what you need to do. Oh, I gotta use the same big block, so. They have a sentiment, thanks for being sweet. So I'll just stamp that at the bottom. Yeah, it's kind of cute. I'm liking it. But again, that's the best part about all of this. You can mix and match, you know, when you have other stamp companies, mix and match those. You know, the digital stamps, I love doing these. These are my favorite kind of cards, where you do the tile mirror image. Because look at how cute that looks. And like the fun part is, okay, let me see if you can see it, but I mean, look at all that glitter. It's super sparkly. It's got some good depth. It's got cute little Brentwood, happy little faces. I think I'm gonna pull out the red Copic and I'm gonna color the little tongue on the little coffee cup. There. There you go. Look, that just finishes it off. Look how cute that is. There you go. So a quick and easy card. So again, if you've never used digital stamps before, go check them out. They're $1.99 a piece. All I do is take a Word document and I mirror imaged it. And here, I'll just show it to you really quick. Let me just grab my phone here, my camera, so you can see. There they are. Okay. So see, here it goes. See, that's the Word document. So you can see all I did was I just mirror image. So I made it the size I wanted, and then I just copied it. Here, I'll show you even. Copy, and then paste. See, and you can stack them however you need them. And then I just printed it from there. So Control P, print, off it goes. I got a full sheet of Brentwoods. Let me just put my camera back up there. There you go. All right, well, definitely take a look at this card. Take a look at our video. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you again for subscribing to our channel. If you like what we're doing, please go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Otherwise, I'm going to pop a little Brentwood up over here. And then I'm also going to put up 2 videos. Again, don't forget to visit our website, which is just jessicalynoriginal.com. Thank you again and have a great night.